Hello, guys. I hope you're doing fine. Remember, this is our new week in this project number 3. Okay, this is the week number 2 from project number 3, and the topic is recycling. Very good topic, guys. Okay, now, what do you have to do? What is the objective of this lesson? Is to identify environmental problems and how they can be solved. You know, we're having a lot of problems in the world, like, you know, pollution, we have some fires, we have some, water pollution, and so on. We have to solve these kind of problems. Okay, so let's get started. As a warm-up activity, you have to watch this video about reduce, reuse, and recycle. And when you finish, you have to complete the table below. Remember, what you have to do is to click on this link and watch the video. And then you have to complete with what you can reduce, what you can reuse, and what you can recycle. Okay, now for example, what can be what what can we reduce? We can reduce plastic bags, some trash. We can reduce electricity, papers. We can reduce pollution by avoiding, traveling by car. Avoiding using gasoline. Okay, what can we reuse? We can reuse some things made of wood. We can reuse some old things like papers, carton boxes, plastic bags. Okay, what can we recycle? We can recycle old things, or maybe some papers like this, or some plastic things. Okay, so watch the video and remember to write here all these answers. Now it's time to move on and we have to do the exercise number 1, which is about listening to two friends talking about a new school recycling program and decide if each of the following sentences are true or false, or maybe not mentioned, Okay, so now it's time to listen. Listen to your audio carefully. If you don't have a listening, so this is the script. Look, pay attention. Guess what? My school came up with a new recycling program this year. Oh yeah, that's cool. Tell me about it. It's such a great idea. So in the whole school, we can find 3 different plastic containers in 3 different colors, green, blue, and black. And what did the different colors mean? So green is for papers, blue is for plastics, and black is for anything that cannot be recycled. It's so simple, such an easy system to use. And are your classmates really recycling? Yes, it's so exciting to see them participating at the program. It takes a couple extra seconds to think of a word for each item you want to get rid of. But it's such a pleasure to see that we're helping our environment. My school doesn't do anything to recycle. It's so terrible. We need to do something. Do you think I can get my school to do the same? Try it. It's so important to do everything we can to save our planet. Okay, remember to listen to this information. And now it's time to answer with true or false or maybe not mentioned. Number 1, the school just started a new recycling program this year. According to the listening part, is true. Excellent. Number 2, there are 2 different containers, one for recyclables and one for non-recyclables. I don't think so. Okay, there are not 2. There are 3. So this is false. Number 3. The school has reduced waste by 50% this year. I don't think so. Maybe this information is not mentioned in the listening or reading. So for me, it's not mentioned. Number 4. Both friends have recycling programs at their schools. I think for the boy it's okay, but for the girl, no. Okay, so this is false. And 5. Both friends think it is important to help save the planet. Yes, definitely yes. So this is true. Okay, guys, I hope you did it well. Now, let's go to the exercise number 2, where you have to write 4 sentences about things you could do to help the environment by using so and such. Okay, so how do you use so? Let's see the information. We often use so and such to mean very or really. Okay, so what is the meaning of so? Very. It makes the sentence stronger and shows that there is a high level of something. We use so before an adjective or maybe an adverb without a noun. Okay, just an adjective or maybe an adverb. For example, she was so beautiful. Look, beautiful is an adjective, and so is before the adjective. She was so beautiful. She is so beautiful. Oh, look at the examples here. Look, it's so exciting. It's so important. Exciting is an adjective. So exciting. Important is an adjective. So important. We don't need a noun here. No. Just an adjective. It's so terrible. Terrible is an adjective. So terrible is okay. Now, when do you have to use so? Such. We have to use such before a noun or an adjective, plus a noun. So what do you need here? An adjective and a noun. If there is a or an, it goes after such. For example, she was such a beautiful woman. Beautiful is an adjective, woman is a noun, beautiful woman, but before you have to write a. She was such a beautiful woman. What is the meaning? She was a very beautiful woman. Look at the example. She is such a great student. Great is an adjective. Student is a noun. So before you have to use a. She is such a great student. Or maybe another example. Look at this. Let's see over here. Look. Such an easy system. Easy is an adjective. System is a noun. Now you have to use because the word easy starts with a vowel. Such an easy system. Look over here. It's such a great idea. Great is an adjective. Idea is a noun. A great idea. It's such a great idea. Okay, according to this information, you have to write here 2 sentences. 2 with so and 2 more sentences with such. Okay, remember the use. Check this information out. Now, in exercise number 3, you have to answer the following question via WhatsApp. So you have to send me the audio. Okay, is there a recycling program in your community? Is there a recycling program in your neighborhood, maybe? The place where you live? Yes, miss, there is a recycling program in my community. If there is, describe it. If not, why do you think there isn't any? So I think taking care of the environment is very important for me. So there must be a recycling program in my community. And when you finish, it's time to send the homework through the Edmodo platform. Okay? Take care, guys. Bye.